Hi, I'm Karen, your chef for the day, and our menu is braised quail with cabbage. The ingredients are 1 fresh quail and sprinkled with salt and ground black pepper, butter, ground black pepper, pig's bone broth, cabbage, and oil. Put the butter in the cast iron pot and the fresh quail. Turn it from side to side until it's nicely golden all over.